This time, instead of installing the module through the Update Manager, we're going to install it manually so you can see how that works. So what we need to do first is navigate to the root directory in the file system of our Drupal site. If you're using Dev Desktop, then you can go to Dev Desktop and click on the local code link, and that will take you to the root directory. If you're using something other than Dev Desktop for your web environment stack, what you're looking for is a folder that looks something like this. There's a sites folder, a modules folder, a core folder, and so on. So the place that we're going to put our modules is in the modules folder. If I drop this down, you can see that admin toolbar is already installed here. I'm going to open up the modules folder. I'm going to go back to the browser and I'm going to download this version. I can download the zip or the tarball. I'm going to download the zip. If you're on a Windows machine, there tends to be better support for zip. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and expand it and then copy the entire folder and paste it in the modules folder. Now to enable it, we're going to go to our site. We'll go to extend. We'll do a search here for coffee, enable it, click install,